In today's fast-paced digital world, email marketing continues to be one of the most effective ways to reach and engage with your target audience. However, with inboxes flooded with countless emails every day, it can be challenging to stand out from the crowd and make a lasting impression. That's where personalization comes in, a powerful tool that allows you to tailor your messages to each individual recipient. In this article, we will explore 5 expert tips on how to harness the power of personalization in email marketing for maximum success. Segment your audience. The first step towards effective personalization is segmenting your audience based on relevant criteria such as demographics, purchase history, or engagement level. By dividing your subscribers into smaller groups with similar interests or characteristics, you can create more targeted and personalized content that resonates with their specific needs and preferences. For example, if you are an online clothing retailer, segmenting your audience by gender allows you to send tailored emails featuring products that are more likely to appeal to each group. This increases the chances of conversion as customers feel understood and valued. Use dynamic content. Dynamic content takes personalization a step further by allowing you to customize different elements within an email based on individual subscriber data. This could include inserting their name into the subject line or body of the email or displaying product recommendations based on their previous purchases. By leveraging dynamic content effectively, you can create highly personalized experiences that grab attention and drive engagement. According to research by Experian Marketing Services, personalized promotional emails have 29% higher unique open rates and 41% higher click-through rates compared to non-personalized ones. Leverage behavioral triggers. Behavioral triggers are automated responses triggered by specific actions taken by subscribers, such as signing up for a newsletter or abandoning a shopping cart halfway through checkout. By setting up these triggers, you can send timely and relevant emails that cater to the individual's specific behavior or intent. For instance, if a subscriber abandons their cart, sending them a personalized email reminding them of the items left behind and offering an exclusive discount can significantly increase the chances of completing the purchase. This level of personalization shows that you are paying attention to their needs and can help build trust and loyalty. Optimize send times. Timing is crucial when it comes to email marketing. Sending your emails at the right time ensures they are seen when subscribers are most likely to engage with them. While there is no one-size-fits-all answer for the optimal send time, analyzing your audience's behavior patterns can provide valuable insights. Use analytics tools to track open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates based on different send times. Experiment with various timings, mornings, afternoons, or evenings, and monitor how each performs over time. This data-driven approach will help you identify the best times to reach your audience for maximum impact. Personalize beyond first name. While addressing subscribers by their first name is a common personalization tactic in email marketing, true personalization goes beyond this basic level of customization. Consider incorporating other relevant details about your subscribers into your emails, such as location-based offers or personalized recommendations based on browsing history. By going beyond just using a first name token in your subject line or salutation, you demonstrate that you genuinely understand each subscriber's unique needs and preferences. This level of personalization creates a stronger emotional connection with your audience and increases the likelihood of conversions. In conclusion, personalizing your email marketing campaigns is no longer just an option. It has become essential for success in today's competitive landscape. By segmenting your audience effectively, using dynamic content, leveraging behavioral triggers, optimizing send times, and going beyond simple first-name personalization, you can harness the power of personalization to create highly engaging and effective email campaigns. Remember, personalization is not a one-time effort but an ongoing process that requires continuous analysis and refinement. By investing time and effort into personalized email marketing, you can build stronger relationships with your subscribers, increase customer loyalty, and ultimately drive business growth.